Hi guys, welcome to the lesson number 7. Today we are talking about the baking. Do you know the baking technique? It is about how to bake your face. So, what is baking your makeup? The term, which has been used in the drag community for years, refers to letting translucent powder sit on your face for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the heat from your face to set your foundation and concealer, and then you dust the powder off your face, and that's it. You're left with the creaseless, flawless finish of your makeup dreams. So, how does it work? You will need a powder, which can be translucent but also white or also yellow powder, and a bronzer. As soon as you put the product on your skin, you will have to leave them for 5-10 minutes, and then take your brush and start blending all the colors. The result is really interesting. My eye bags have disappeared. I'm so happy. This was a lesson about baking, and we will have another lesson the next week. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.